Hi guys, Angela here. I have the funniest story to tell. Well, it's kind of a stupid story. So if you know me, I always find myself getting into these strange predicaments. Anyways, we were at the, Lowe's. We were at a big box store last weekend, and I saw this plant and I went, oh my gosh, Dan, I have to have that. I don't know what it is, but I have to have it. And then I was like, I know what it is. It's a bamboo. It's a variegated bamboo. I've never seen one of those before. I have to have it. And he was like, yes, you do. You buy it. Go get it, girl. And I grabbed it and I brought it home, and I mean, it's so gorgeous. Look, I'm not usually a fan of the braided plants, but it's braided. It's so beautiful. And I've just been sitting there admiring it for 3 days. I watered it. I unbound it. It was bound up here, and I let it go a little bit. And I was just admiring all the beautiful variegation, and I thought, oh my gosh, how lucky am I that I found this variegated bamboo. I've never seen one before. I opened the tag, or read the tag, opened it up, looked at it, and it's a Dracaena or Dracaena or something like that. But so that's my foolish moment, you guys. Like, I get all worked up about the gorgeousness of these leaves, and I bring home this plant. I even told other people, like, I found a variegated bamboo. I didn't even know it was a thing. It's not a thing. It's a Dracaena, Dracena, I don't even know how to say it. So I had to laugh. I don't know if I'll be able to keep this thing alive, but it's beautiful, and I have to just admire the leaves. It's gorgeous. So like I said, I've had it for a week. It's still alive, but if you have any tips for keeping these bad boys healthy and strong, let me know, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I thought it was a bamboo. Like, who am I? Anyways, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Just so you know, I'm human. I make mistakes. I don't know. No one knows what they're doing in this world. We just kind of, make it up as we go, right? Yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys. I hope you had a good laugh. Enjoyed the video. Tell me you've done something foolish like this before too, so I don't feel so silly. But I guess that's it. So thank you guys again for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.